Q. Quite ingenious.
Right. Now pay attention, 007. I want you to take great care of this equipment.
Q, have I ever let you down?
Frequently.
Morning, Q.
Morning, 007. This way, please.
Ejector seat, you're joking.
I never joke about my work, 007.
Oh, no.
007.
What a wonderful surprise.
Well, for me, too. Do please try and return some of this equipment in pristine order. Don't touch that. It's my lunch. If it hadn't been for Q Branch, you'd have been dead long ago.
But of course. Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned.
That's putting it mildly, 007.
Balls, Q.
Bolus, 007.
Somebody seems to have stuck a knife in my wallet.
Oh, they missed you. What a pity. Everything for a man on holiday. Explosive alarm clock, guaranteed never to wake up anybody who uses it. Dentalite toothpaste, the latest in plastic explosive. Quite frankly, you're going to need my help.
My God, what's Bond doing?
I think he's attempting re-entry, sir.
Morning, Q. Sorry about the leg. Skiing?
Hunting.
Hi there, Mr. Q. Are you having any luck?
I'm being somewhat successful, thank you.
It's unbelievable.
An electromagnetic RPM controller. Been aching to give it a try. It's activated by nerve impulses from the wrist muscles.
Like this?
Something we're making for the Americans. It's called a ghetto blaster. It's the insurance damage waiver for your beautiful new car. Will you need collision coverage?
Yes.
Fire?
Probably.
Property destruction?
Definitely.
Personal injury?
I hope not. But accidents do happen.
They frequently do with you.
Don't need any other protection.
Only from B007 unless you bring that car back in pristine order.
Q's not gonna like this.
Now pay attention, 007. I've always tried to teach you two things. First, never let them see you bleed.
And the second?
Always have an escape plan.